In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your shortcut bar not working or shortcut bar not showing up. Now, to do that, first open up your Facebook. As you can see, my shortcut bar is showing just fine. It's right below. There you can see. But if it's not being shown, it might be due to you have disabled it. So I'll teach you guys how to get it back. So go to your menu section on the bottom right and then scroll down. And under the settings and privacy option, go to the settings. After you go there, go to the search setting and then search for tab bar. Click on that and there you will see two options. One is to customize the bar, the other is to manage the notification dots. Now click on customize the bar and there you can see I can pin different shortcuts into my tab bar. Now you can just hide the shortcuts, or you can just unhide it and keep it on auto. Now your might not be showing up because it might be hidden, so just remove it from hidden, keep it on auto, or you can just pin them too. Now note that you can only pin up to 3 things for quick access. So that is how you fix the problem, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and then hit the bell icon so you don't miss out our new videos. Also, if you find this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.